Hi, my name's Daryl. So if you have a JL Wrangler or if you're thinking about purchasing one, there's one problem that you should know about. It's not that expensive to fix, but it's annoying. So this is my visor. And yeah, it just falls down. So this little part is really kind of defective. Now, there's folks that came up with a solution, but it really involves kind of taking this whole thing apart. And there are products out there on Amazon. It's just a little clip that you basically fasten onto there that fixes it. So the one that I got, it's made by this one company. It seemed like a pretty good one. It had two of these, so you could actually fix both your visors when they both break. It had a torque tool for removing the little torque bit that you're going to need to remove. It even give you a little screwdriver that you can use, as well as a couple of screws to kind of screw that in place. So let's go ahead and get this done. So basically what you want to do is there's two screws, torque screws, one here and one here, and you need to remove those. They give you this handy torque bit that you can use to remove that screw. So you put that in there, and oh my goodness gracious, wow, that's tight. Okay, so let's go this direction, try to remove it. So I'm gonna put that visor kind of in place and then get that in there, going the long side to give me a little more torque, and then get it in there. Ugh. All right, so I got that one going, and once I got that going, then I'll go to the other side and get it out of there. All right, so that one's removed. And then we need to remove the other one. Yeah, and they had some thread lock on there, which made it a little difficult to remove. So then get on the other side and remove that one. Okay, got it. Put that up out of the way a little bit. And then remove that. And you're not gonna reuse these screws, so you don't have to worry about trying to keep it. So then the next thing you do is you use your little thing here, and it goes like this. So that's what the diagram says. Oh. Yeah, so the diagram shows it basically this direction right here, and the back side should be flat, and then the front side should be kind of ridged. So I'm actually going to have the visor up. I think it might make it a little easier to do this. Okay. Okay, got it started, I think. Yeah, so once you got it in and got it started, then it's a lot easier. Oh, now it's nice and tight. All right, so that one's in place. And then I just got to get the other one in place. So I'm going to scooch that down. And I think at this point I could probably move this over, get access to the other screw. Okay, yeah. So now take that other screw and get it in there. And then tighten it down. Okay, I'm going to tighten it down just a little bit more. Yeah, and there we go. My visor is now fixed. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this simple little video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also give it a like if you learned something. Okay, I'll talk to you soon.